In this video, we will take a look at the 5 best hotels in Tirumala, India. I will leave links in the description for the best prices for each of these hotels, so make sure to check them out. At number 5, we have Marasa Sarovar Premier. Marasa Sarovar Premier in Tirupati is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enjoy a comfortable stay with some great amenities. With an outdoor swimming pool and a fitness center, guests can unwind and stay active without having to leave the hotel. The rooms are spacious and well equipped, featuring air conditioning, a minibar, and even an electric kettle for those cozy evenings. Plus, the stunning mountain and city views from the rooms add an extra touch of charm to the experience. What really sets Marasa Sarovar Premier apart is its dining options. The exclusive Indian restaurant, Krishna, serves up delicious local flavors, while the Lotus Cafe offers a diverse menu that includes Indian, Chinese, and continental dishes, making it easy to please any palate. The hotel's convenient location is also a big plus, being just a short drive from popular attractions like the Padmavati Temple and Tirumala Venkateswara Temple. With a 24-hour front desk and a spa and wellness center, guests can enjoy a hassle-free stay with everything they need at their fingertips. At number 4, we have Taj Tirupati. Taj Tirupati is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enjoy a luxurious stay in the heart of Tirupati. With its stunning outdoor swimming pool and well-equipped fitness center, guests can unwind and stay active during their visit. The hotel's restaurant serves a delicious breakfast every morning, featuring a mix of continental, Italian, and Asian dishes, ensuring there's something for everyone. Plus, the convenience of free private parking and a 24-hour front desk makes check-in and getting around a breeze. What really sets Taj Tirupati apart is its welcoming atmosphere and top-notch amenities. The rooms come with a minibar for those late-night snacks, and the free Wi-Fi keeps everyone connected. With nearby attractions like Sri Padmavati Amavari Temple and easy access to the airport, it's perfect for both relaxation and exploration. Whether traveling for business or leisure, Taj Tirupati offers a comfortable and enjoyable experience that's hard to beat. At number 3, we have Pai Viceroy. Hotel Pai Viceroy in Tirupati is a solid choice for anyone looking for comfort and convenience during their stay. Located just a stone's throw from popular spots like the ISKCON Temple and the APSRTC Central Bus Station, it makes exploring the area super easy. The hotel boasts free Wi-Fi and private parking, which is a huge plus for travelers. Each room is air-conditioned and comes with a flat-screen TV, a cozy seating area, and a minibar, ensuring a relaxing environment after a day of sightseeing. The private bathrooms are well equipped with showers and complimentary toiletries, making for a hassle-free stay. What really sets Pai Viceroy apart is its friendly staff and great dining options. With a 24-hour front desk ready to assist with everything from currency exchange to car rentals, guests can feel well taken care of. Food lovers will appreciate the variety available, from multi-cuisine dishes at Gufa to pure vegetarian meals at Plantain Leaf. Plus, the option for room service means that guests can enjoy delicious meals in the comfort of their own space. Whether it's for a short getaway or a longer stay, Hotel Pai Viceroy offers a welcoming atmosphere that makes it a standout choice in Tirupati. At number 2, we have Fortune Select Grand Ridge. Fortune Select Grand Ridge in Tirupati is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to unwind in a serene setting. Nestled next to the Shilparamam theme park, this hotel offers a peaceful park-like atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation. Guests can enjoy the refreshing outdoor pool, hit the gym at the fitness center, or pamper themselves at the spa. Plus, with free Wi-Fi and parking, it makes for a hassle-free stay. The location is super convenient too, just a short distance from the railway and bus stations, and only 12 kilometers from Tirupati Airport. What really sets Fortune Select Grand Ridge apart is its dining options and comfortable rooms. The Rainbow Restaurant serves up delicious vegetarian dishes, while Zodiac offers a buffet that caters to a variety of tastes, making it easy to find something for everyone. The rooms are cozy and come with great amenities like satellite TV and stunning views of the hills or the theme park. With a helpful tour desk and 24-hour front desk service for all those little requests, this hotel ensures guests have everything they need for a memorable stay. At number 1, we have Ekante Bliss. Ekante Bliss Tirupati. HSL's Selections is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to explore the beautiful city of Tirupati. With its prime location just 35 kilometers from the Srikalahasti temple and close to key transport hubs like APSRTC Central Bus Station and Tirupati East Railway Station, this hotel makes it super convenient for travelers. The property boasts a lovely garden, a bar for unwinding after a day of sightseeing, and complimentary Wi-Fi throughout, ensuring guests stay connected and relaxed. The rooms are spacious and come with all the essentials, including air conditioning and flat-screen TVs, making it a cozy retreat after a busy day. What really sets Ekante Bliss apart is its diverse dining options and attentive service. Guests can indulge in a hearty buffet or choose from continental and Italian breakfasts to kickstart their day. The on-site restaurant serves up a delightful mix of Chinese, Indian, and local dishes with plenty of vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free choices available. The friendly staff is always ready to assist, providing concierge services and 24-hour front desk support to make every stay as smooth as possible. For those looking for comfort, convenience, and a taste of local culture, Ekante Bliss is an excellent pick in Tirupati. Deciding whether to visit this city can be a tough choice, but there are plenty of reasons to consider it for your next getaway. This city is a dynamic destination, brimming with culture, history, and modern attractions that cater to all types of travelers. Whether you're into exploring historic sites, indulging in the local food scene, or simply enjoying the vibe of a new place, this city has a lot in store for you. The hotels here range from luxurious to cozy, ensuring that no matter your budget or style, you'll find the perfect place to rest after a day of exploration. But what truly sets this city apart is its unique blend of old-world charm and contemporary flair. Wander through its streets and you'll discover a tapestry of experiences that only this city can offer. Think about what you want from your travels. If you're someone who thrives on discovering new places, soaking in different cultures, and connecting with the pulse of a city, then this city is definitely worth considering. On the other hand, if you prefer destinations that are quieter or more laid back, you might want to weigh your options. In the end, the decision to visit this city is yours to make. If you're searching for a place that's full of life, rich in experiences, and packed with things to see and do, then this city just might be the perfect addition to your travel plans. So, there you have it. I really hope this video helped you choose a hotel you can stay in. For the best prices for these hotels, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Also, if you have any questions or recommendations, make sure to leave a comment. I read them all. Thank you, and see you on the next video.